Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of luxury living room ideas that will help you turn your space into a heaven of elegance and comfort. Whether you are looking to completely remodel or just add a touch of opulence, we have got you covered. Let's explore some fabulous ideas that will inspire you to create your dream living room. The foundation of any luxury room starts with the right furniture. Opt for pieces that blend style with comfort. A plush, oversized sofa in rich velvet or leather can instantly elevate your room's aesthetic. Pair it with a set of ornate armchairs upholstered in luxurious fabrics like silk or linen for added sophistication. Don't forget a statement coffee table with a marble top or a sleek glass finish to tie the look together. Textures plays a crucial role in luxury living rooms. Incorporate plush rugs with intricate patterns or a fox fur through tapped over the sofa for a touch of extravagance. Velvet curtains or silk drapes not only enhance the acoustics of the room but also add a layer of sophistication. Mix and match textures like leather, suede, and satin for a multi-dimensional look that feels both cozy and glamorous. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on home decor and interior design. See you next time.